Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mila B, and today I am trying out the new cordless drill from Melody Susie. I was really excited to try out this drill because honestly, I usually use like this little small thing plugged up while I'm doing my nails, and this keeps me from having to switch my plugs back and forth. So when I opened up the drill, I immediately saw that it needed to be charged. It did not come on, so I went ahead and I charged it for about 20 minutes, and just showing you guys the drill. The pieces lock in place, so you twist it to unlock it and let out the drill bit, and then you twist it back to lock it in place. So it also came with some sanding bits. It came with a whole cuticle set, and there's the coarse sanding bits right there. The fine ones are in the bag. It also came with a coarse, I think it's medium or coarse drill bit, the white one right here that I'm about to pick up as well. So once I got the hang of how to use the drill, I went ahead and I unlocked it and I placed in a sanding bit and I started my nails. So what I'm going to do is rough up the surface of all of my nails. I did turn it on low. This drill is very powerful. The one con I can say that from this drill was I wish it had a few more speeds because it's like low, medium, high. But it's very powerful. So, most of the time you get cordless things and they don't have the same power, but this one definitely does. It's also a little bit bigger than their other drill. I do have 3 drills from them. It's a little bit bigger than the corded drill. So just want to let you guys know it's kind of a little learning curve at the beginning just to kind of get your hands comfortable to use the drill. So once again, I turned it on low and I'm using the cuticle bit that came in there. And I'm basically getting all of that dead skin from off my nail plate on each nail. So after I used that bit, I came in with this round cuticle bit. Same thing, except this just kind of really just takes everything off of the actual, it's like where the eponychium is. It just kind of clears all of that up. So this is a game changer for me. I used to not use this bit as well. I used to only use that straight one, but I've noticed ever since I started doing this, and one other trick that I'm gonna show you in a second, my nails last forever. So I am the person that likes to take off my set after about 3 fills because I really don't want to, I always just try to make sure, underneath is good. So this technique has been helping me keep my nails on longer. So my next tip for keeping my nails on longer is to dehydrate before I even apply the tips. So I dehydrate first because I was noticing my tips were kind of lifting sometimes on the back end. And I was like, maybe it's the glue. I switched the glue. Sometimes I would still notice it after about 3 or 4 fills. Actually, about 2 to 3 fills, I would notice it. So I started applying that, then applying my tips. Then, guys, I came back to this sanding bit. This is the fine one, and I'm just smoothing where the smile line is on these tips and just roughing up the surface of the tip. I also come back again and I dehydrate my nails again once I've done all that, just to make sure there's no oil or anything left behind. Then I come in with my primer and I use it twice. I'll make sure that I leave everything that I use in the description box. I just want to make sure that you guys, are updated on my new methods. So this is the acrylic that I have been using. This acrylic is hands down the best acrylic I've ever used. I don't think I'm going to be going to anyone else for a while. All of my nudes will definitely come. This I just love it. And as y'all can see, I'm using some terrible monomer and this acrylic is still laying nice. But if you do have a monomer that you just really, really love and you feel like I should try, please leave it in the comment section, guys, because I really do need a new monomer. This was just something cheap I found at the nail supply because I was out of my go-to and I really wanted to do my nails for the new year. After I finished applying all of my acrylic, do not look at my right hand, y'all. I was struggling using my non-dominant hand today. But after I'm done, I come in with my medium tapered bit, 5-in-1 bit. This is medium. So I use my medium one first, and then I kind of just debulk some of the places that don't look so nice. I prefer medium because coarse takes too much off, and then fine takes too long. So medium is just right, just like it is in the middle. So I kind of go down the nail. I'm sorry I kept moving out of frame during this time, but I go over the whole surface of the nail. I go around the cuticle and then I go vertically, and this just kind of helps keep the nail shape where I need it to be. So at this point, I'm just cleaning up everything that I notice is not too cute. Next, I come in with my fine bit. I'll also leave this in the description box. This just kind of smooths out a lot of those ridges and just kind of brings everything together. Like I said, it's fine, so it takes a little bit longer. This entire process, I did keep the drill on low, I believe. I think I might have put it on medium just for when I'm using my fine bit, but from the beginning, I used this on the lowest speed up until now. So I'm just smoothing everything out, and then from here on, I usually go into hand filing. So I come in with my hand file, and this is where I do most of my shaping. I do go over the surface of the nail again with my hand file, just if I see anything that's not looking cute. I do use the fine side when I'm doing this portion of the nails, because at this point I don't want to debulk. I don't want to take anything off of the nail. I'm literally just using this as a means to smooth my nail. When I'm done with this, I'll come in with my buffer. I don't believe I showed me buffing my nails, but I'll make sure that I leave that in the description box as well. So after I file shaped and buffed my nails, I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I know I want to protect the natural color. So I went ahead and I applied my top coat. It is a no wipe top coat. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave it in the description box. And I cured my nails, and then I came in with a gel and I did my little design. I don't know what I was doing. I looked at something on Pinterest and I showed it to my husband. He's like, yeah, that looked nice. I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. So before I went all the way in, I just I did cure these nails. I cured the clear. Then I came in with this and I just kind of started my line. I wanted my line to look nice. I kind of wanted to see what it was going to look like first. Then when I got the line where I wanted it, I went ahead and filled in the side of the nail. So I cured my nails for about 90 seconds, and then I'm coming in with just a line. I just wanted a line. I was going to do white, but I don't know what. Something just said, no, girl, keep it pink. So I really wanted something popping. I don't care if it's the middle of the winter. In Texas, it's always the summer. I believe our weather today was like 87 degrees. So I'm going to do something summerish because that's just really how I'm feeling. So I went ahead and I did this line, and then I'm using some dip powder to define the line, and then I cured it. I like using dip powder over pigments now just because I feel like it's a little softer. I don't know, it just works for me. So I cured these nails for about 90 seconds, and this is the final result. I never know how to pose my hands, but let me know what you guys think about this video. Thanks to Melody Susie for sending me my new drill. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.